Hey everyone! Today we're giving you a look at some of the best electric scooters and showing you why you should consider buying one for getting around. Nowadays, with the current health crisis and viruses spreading, it's important to practice social distancing and avoid crowded buses and trains when you can. You might be familiar with electric scooters from the rental companies, but did you know that you can buy your own, starting at just $250? There's plenty of advantages to owning an electric scooter. First, you'll save money by not paying for trains, buses, or expensive Ubers and Lyfts. You can be on your own schedule, leaving exactly when you want instead of waiting or missing a bus or train. Your commute will be more consistent every day, skipping traffic and riding in a bike path. You might even be able to ride all the way from your house to work if the distance isn't too long. You'll also be outside getting fresh air instead of being hunched over on your phone. That means you'll get to work feeling more awake and refreshed. And last but not least, riding a scooter is easy. Anyone can do it, and it's more eco-friendly. It's also a fun and easy way to get around. You could even use your scooter to run errands, go grocery shopping, or explore your city on the weekends. We reviewed many different electric scooters on our channel. Our list is based on the scooters we personally tested. Keep in mind that none of the companies in the video are sponsored. However, we make a small commission if you buy one. So, if you found this review helpful and want to support our channel, please follow the links in the description. We even have special discounts and coupons to save you money. First, we have two scooters from GoTrax, starting at only $250 for the GoTrax XR and $350 for the XR Ultra. We do have a coupon code in the description that will save you $50 off the XR Ultra, making it only $300. These scooters are simple, light, and a great deal for a budget scooter. We reviewed them and rated them the best scooter for the price. The main difference in the two models is the battery, with a range of up to 12 miles on the XR. Meanwhile, the XR Ultra has the same top speed of 15 miles per hour, but with a larger battery, giving you 16 miles of range. Both scooters feature a front headlight, but do not have rear taillights, only a reflective sticker. They also feature cruise control and are both waterproof, so you can ride through puddles or in the rain. For braking, they both have dual braking using the electric motor in the front and a disc brake in the rear. Next, we have scooters from Segway. Segway is the largest electric scooter company on the market and has many models to choose from. For their ES series, they have the ES1, ES2, ES3, and ES4 scooters ranging in price, speed, range, and weight. Starting with the ES4, it's the highest end model with a top speed of 19 miles per hour and a battery range of 28 miles. It retails for $769, but there's currently a company called BigBattery.com selling a surplus of brand new ES4s for only $450. We also have a coupon that will save you another $98, bringing the price down to only $350. It's a really good deal for a top scooter and a savings of over $400. So be sure to check the link in the description below. The main difference between the ES4 and the other ES models is the extra battery on the front, which increases top speed to 19 miles per hour and the range up to 28 miles instead of 15 miles on the ES1 and ES2. There is also a noticeable increase in acceleration with the ES4. The extra battery does add 5 pounds to the weight, making the scooter heavier at 31 pounds. The ES4 and ES2 also both have custom underglow lights that you can customize from the app, which connects using Bluetooth along with a rear LED taillight. Similarly, for all four of the ES scooters, they have solid rubber tires without tubes, which means you'll never have to worry about tire pressure or flat tires. For brakes, all four models have both front and rear brakes. The front brake uses the front electric motor to slow you down while regenerating energy back into the battery. You also have a rear brake you can use with your foot. All four models have an app to check battery life and customize ride modes, braking resistance, and cruise control. Another model by Segway is the Ninebot Max, currently priced at $850 from Segway.com, but we'll put links to better deals in the description below. We reviewed it as one of the best options for a long-range commuter scooter. The Ninebot Max has a large battery with a range of 40 miles and a top speed of 18 miles per hour. This is the same scooter being used by many of the rental scooter companies like Bird, Spin, Lime, and others due to the strength and reliability. The base of the scooter is wider, the front stem is taller, and the wheels are larger than the ES series scooters, making it perfect for larger and taller riders. It also means a more comfortable ride compared to other scooters on the market. The motor is also located in the back wheel, which features an electric brake along with a front drum brake for dual braking. If you're looking for a faster and more sporty scooter, we recommend the Widewheel Pro from Fluidfreeride.com. This scooter is a lot more expensive, at $1,300, but it packs a ton of power, features, and range. It has dual 500-watt motors on the front and back for a total of 1,000 watts of power, providing quick acceleration and a top speed of 26 miles per hour. The dual motors give it plenty of power to ride, even on the steepest hills. For battery, it has a range of up to 22 miles. It has a unique design with ultra-wide airless tires which give it a ton of grip and lots of stability even at high speeds. It features dual and rear suspension, so the scooter can still tackle rough terrain. It features a top display that shows speed, mileage, voltage, and also allows you to control gear selection for different ride modes. The Widewheel Pro also has dual front and rear disc brakes, along with a bright headlight and rear taillight. Next on the list is the UNAGI Model 1. In our review, we tested the dual motor option and rated it one of the most stylish and lightweight scooters available. It's available in a single motor option at $840 or a dual motor option at $990. The Model 1 has a minimalist look. The body is made of aluminum and carbon fiber to keep it super light and easy to carry. For acceleration and braking, the dual motor gives you a bit more torque, more powerful braking, and allows you to climb steep hills. The tires also feature open pockets of air, which act as a suspension built into the tire. This also means you will never have to worry about getting a flat tire or replacing a tube, which is common on scooters with tube tires. And last but not least, we have the 010X from Rev Rights. It's the most expensive, coming in at $1,700. But we do have a coupon code in the description that will save you 10% off your order. This one is a monster scooter, much larger than any of the other scooters we reviewed, and we rate it one of the most capable and fastest we have tested. It features over 1,600 watts of power and can go up to 40 miles per hour, with a range of up to 35 to 40 miles. It features front and rear suspension and can handle all different types of terrain, including off-roading. It has a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, making it perfect for the larger riders who want a bigger, more powerful ride. The 010X features a color display which will give you lots of detail, such as ride modes, battery life, speed, and voltage. You can even toggle on and off dual or single motor, and eco or turbo mode for extra acceleration. Alright, that's it for now. If you're interested in a more detailed review of any of these scooters, check out some of our other videos where we reviewed each one of them in more detail.